These problems here are a little bit different. They're asking us, hey, what is the value of a if the point 2, -1 and some point a, -4 has a distance of 5? You're always going to have two answers in this scenario, because if I have that point 2, -1, and then that other point is a, -4, a, -4 could be over here, or a, -4 could be over here. You have two different options to be 5 units away from that original 2, -1. So let's go ahead and see how we solve these. So it tells me the distance is 5, so I'm going to put a 5 in for D. Now I have 2, -1 and then a, -4. I always like using this point with a variable as my second point. So I'm going to say a minus 2 plus -4 minus a -1. It's going to become a -4 plus 1. Do me a favor, do not do this out yet. Keep that as a minus 2 quantity squared. -3 squared is 9. Now from here, I want to take the square root of both sides. Sorry, I'm going to take the square of both sides, not the square root. I want to undo that square root. So I'm going to square this side here, and I'll square that entire radical. So here I get 25 equals a minus 2 quantity squared plus 9. So again, squaring the radical just takes out that radicand. Now I'm going to subtract 9. I want to get this a minus 2 out of being squared. So how do I do that? I take the square root of both sides. And the reason why I can do that is 16 is a perfect square. So this is a little trick to save you some time. If you have a perfect square on both sides, you don't need to go ahead and multiply that out. You just take the square root of both sides. So I get positive or -4 equals a minus 2. So I'll add 2 to both sides. And I get 4 plus 2, and then -4 plus 2. So my options for A are either 6 or -2.